This is a project on Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is the second smallest planet in our solar system. It is called the red planet. That's because the iron oxide on the surface gives it a reddish color. Mars is named after the Roman god of war. Mars rotates around the Sun just like Earth. It looks a lot like Earth but has no oceans or forest lands, and you can't grow anything on Mars. Polar ice caps. If you were to travel far enough to the north on Mars, you will find a polar ice cap. If you were to travel far enough to the south, you would find a polar ice cap. That is the same thing on Earth. According to scientists, there could have been life on Mars many millions of years ago. Length of year on Mars. On Mars, a year would take 687 days. If you were to live on Mars, it would take a long time for your birthday to come. Length of day on Mars. While a year on Mars is twice as long as it is on Earth, a day is about the same length. A Martian day is 24 hours and 39 minutes. That is 39 minutes longer than our day. Seasons. Mars has seasons like the season on Earth, but they are much longer. That's because Mars is further away from the Sun than Earth, and that makes the seasons much colder than those on Earth. Neither season is warm enough there for a swim if you even wanted to. Size of Mars. This is a good comparison of the size of Earth and Mars. Mars is much smaller than Earth in size. It is like comparing a basketball to a softball. Pieces of Mars have fallen to Earth. Meteorites from Mars have crashed onto Earth. These meteorites contain pieces of Mars, which has allowed scientists to study Mars before launching space missions. Only 18 missions to Mars have been successful. There have been 40 missions to Mars, including orbiters, landers, and rovers, but not including flybys. Only 18 of these missions were successful. Conclusion. Mars is a very interesting planet